At some point, you niggas gotta consider that the store is closed.
You know what I'm saying? I remember, man, serving the whole motherfucking thing in the trap house. You know what I'm saying?
We 25-8 with this shit.
Come on, dude, pull up on me, you know what I'm saying? Give a couple hundred.
10 toes deep, though.
You know what I'm saying? Come back later on, you know what I'm saying? Shit, you know, I'm running it up.
Just counted $250,000. Can't explain the feeling. What a life I'm living. Niggas be all in my business, trying to see how I did it. Nigga, you tripping. I'm the young nigga that's winning. Making plays, I'm through the city. Niggas be broke and snitching. Fuck em. Flipping the pack with my brother. Trying to make it out of the gutter. All in Cali, smoking muscle. All these haters made me tougher. I just fuck her, you can love her. I'm the one jigging the fastest. Tipping it, ripping it, running through traffic. I gotta have it. Me and my niggas be spazzing. Hate being broke with a passion. Mouth full of diamonds and carrots. I'm in the hood till the trap close. Go to the teller and trap close. I saw the boy and go hit the stove. Then throw some more on the stripper hoe. I bought a whip to forget the hoe. I'm chasing the check, I just missed the hoe. Ain't no going back, bro. No, I gotta go get the dough. Keep getting that money, keep getting that money, keep getting that money. Keep getting that money, keep getting that money, keep getting that money. Keep getting that money, keep getting that money, keep getting that money. Run it up. Keep getting that money, keep getting that money, keep getting that money. Clocking in, go to the bank and trap clothes. Smelling like Creed and some gas balls. I'ma flex up on you assholes. Keep getting that money, your trap clothes. Trap wide open, they swinging my dope. Nigga, you know, I'm fucking up checks.